Learning Kit. For this course, I've created a special Bootstrap 4 Learning Kit. This can be found on the course page under the tab Course Content. And then if you expand Section 1, Introduction to Bootstrap, you'll find the lecture Bootstrap 4 Learning Kit. There you see the zip file which you can click to download. When you have downloaded it, you can unzip the zip file and view the files. We have the CSS from Bootstrap and the JavaScript from Bootstrap. Then we have our starting page, which we could open and view in the browser. We first have a simple start page, and then you have this navigation in the top. Here you can access all the different parts of Bootstrap: the layout, the content, the components, the utilities, and some templates that I've created. Let's, for example, go to content and typography. Here we can see the different kinds of typography classes and features. We can scroll down. To the right, we see our toggle button with reference and practice. Right now, you see the reference section. If you click on the practice button, you'll go to the practice section, still viewing the typography. So here you see all the raw HTML with no Bootstrap classes or attributes applied. Let's try and change to a drop-down from the components menu. Still, we're in the practice section right now, so we just see some raw HTML. Nothing of the classes that are used for drop-downs have been applied yet. So if we click on the reference section, we'll see now that we have working drop-down menus. Let's just try one more. We will go to the text utility classes, and right now we are still on our reference section, and we see the different kinds of text utility classes being applied. When we click the practice section, we again see raw HTML. Finally, let's have a look at one template, for example, the contact template. Here we are still in the practice section, so we have the raw HTML and an embedded Google map. If we click the reference button, we see that we have the final layout here. Right, so now let's go into our code editor. Here we see we have the two main folders, practice and reference. So, for example, if you want to see how to create buttons, you open the reference folder and go to the buttons.html file. You scroll a little bit down, and now you see all the different button classes that you can use, with some helping text in the comments as well. If we open the same file in the practice section, buttons.html, we will see something similar but without any Bootstrap buttons. This is so that you can practice by adding the right Bootstrap classes to make it look like the reference section, or to make it look like your own way. You can also see these code in the developer tool. If you open that up in your preferred browser, let's, for example, see how we create a display heading. We select the display heading, and we can now see that it uses the class display1. You can also see the helping text in the comment above it, which says display headings. And further down we have the lead paragraph, which we can highlight like this, and it has the class lead. So this is how you can use the Learning Kit. In the beginning of each lecture, I will start with an overview of the current component or utility to present what different styles are available.